It's a wrap. All right, it's a little bit after 4:07, and hey, the market's up 13 points. That's not bad. That's not bad doings. Actually, it looks like we got a little action in the end of the day, huh? Oh, Dave took the wrong day off, maybe. Look at that movement. Damn. That 30-minute chart, man. Once it broke that high, which is what we would have looked for, you had some really nice movement. You had 12 points up from there on a low. Wow, I hope my friend Anthony held on to that trade and just climbed that baby all up. Really strong day. Strong day. All right, I'm being a flake, and that's what happens. So if we look at this daily bar, obviously this is a really strong bar moving up, making a whole new tier. I would think that this begins a support right around 48.11. So very encouraging, very encouraging. And the daily momentum is still kind of neutral. So it's still creating a divergence, which would make you nervous, but that's a really strong bar. You could look for a move up tomorrow, a continuation on that bar. I mean, you may get an inside bar, but that's really positive. And the 60-minute, obviously, is supporting a strong move up. But still, look at that. I mean, you have that high here, and the momentum is not really in it. So light market floating up, but I'll take it, especially doing income trades. It's just a gift. And you've got to love a gift. Let's see what's going on the NOD chart, the EOD chart. We already looked at the S&P. All the indices are going to be the same. Oh, Bitcoin's letting us down, huh? Oh, you know what? This was obviously due to the hacker swiping that 6 million. At least he was good enough to give back 3. But yeah, you know, this shows the vulnerability of it and the fact that the money's untraceable. I mean, they still don't know who he is, and the guy stole the money and gave it back. So I mean, that's just showing another one of the problems of Bitcoin. So I would just stay away from this now to see where people go with the jitters. Tesla, we don't want to do. I don't want to look at any of this stuff. Let's look at Amazon. That's a nice move up. You can see the trend reversal here in the break. I mean, the retrace is kind of a drag. That's on the 30. If you look at the 60, it's giving a little topping tail. But I would look for another test at the bottom on Amazon before a move up. Can't really call that a hammer. Kind of an indecisive doji. So I'd remain neutral on Amazon. And taking a quick peek-see at AMC. On the 60, the momentum is still moving up and positive. Did a retrace towards the end, and it seems like it ground its way up throughout the day. Looking at the 60, I'd still say I'm neutral. Looks like it's putting in another bottom. You could even put a little trend line right there. Say you're bullish unless breaking that trend line. And that's really how I would look at it. And to tell you the truth, that's it. Day canceled due to lack of interest. I'm going to go grab my family and take them out to dinner. Hang out and enjoy them. Tomorrow's the last day of the week. That's cool. We'll wrap it up. So if you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. A couple of comments always help. Some thumbs up. And catch me tomorrow at 9 a.m. and we'll take some trades together. And then I'll probably go play hooky. If you don't know me, I'm not around my family often, and now I'm just being all childish about it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember that trading should be void of emotion. So stay calm, be at peace, and good luck trading.